Find the IPC upgrade firmware on the official website by model number. Copy the IPC upgrade firmware to a USB storage device and connect it to the NVR, such as a USB flash drive or a portable hard drive, etc. Click Setting to enter channel set from the quick menu. Locate and select the IPC channel that you would like to upgrade, and click the upgrade icon. Select device name from the IPC upgrade page. If the USB device is not displayed, click Detect. Select the IPC upgrade file that has been copied to the USB storage device. Note that the default extension is UPF. After clicking Upgrade, the IPC start to upgrade. You will receive upgrade is successful from the message page, and you can restart the IPC. If the upgrade fails, please contact technical support for a new upgrade package.